Hi, we have
Ivan.
Ivan today with us. He's gonna be my scuba diving instructor and my buddy in the ocean. We're gonna learn how to scuba dive today in the pool area and with Mr. Sir Ivan.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So again, you need to focus again the breathing through your mouth. So
Breathing through the mouth.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inhale deeply and exhale slowly.
Okay.
And then the hand signals for communication. This would be the okay sign. So every time we dive, while we were
This
under,
sign is for okay.
Yeah. Okay. It means
Okay.
I am asking if you're okay.
Okay. And what is when I'm not okay? What do I do?
Sorry.
What do I do if I'm not okay?
You sign like this. Problem.
Oh, so this is okay. No problem. Okay.
This
okay.
is problem.
Okay.
So it means something's wrong, like problem, water in the mask, problem, discomfort in your ears, problem, water inside your air source or inside your mouth.
Problem is this,
Yeah.
and this is okay.
No, this is going up.
This is going up.
This is okay.
This is okay.
Up,
Up,
down.
down.
This is okay.
Okay.
And this is problem.
This is problem.
This is stop.
Stop. Okay, I want to go back up. Stop. Enough. Stop. Enough.
Stop. It means if I sign like this, it means I notice that you kick a lot or you kick too much.
Ah,
or
so if you tell me
use your
like
hands,
this,
yeah.
if you tell me like this, then it means I need to stop.
Yeah, stop your stop your movements, like stop kicking too fast or stop using your hands during the dive. So just hold your arms like this and then straight your legs. And doing our dive, especially we are doing like intro dive, I'll be holding your gear.
Yeah.
I'll be on your side all the time. Just hold your arms like this. Then if you want to kick, do it slowly, something like
Yeah. Got it.
that. Okay.
All right. Sounds like a
So,
plan. Let's do it.
Anyway, if there's a problem like water inside the mask, if
Yeah.
there's water inside the mask,
Yeah.
all you have to do is perform mask clearing. So just in case you feel like there's water coming in,
Yeah.
and you notice that there's water inside your mask, all you have to do is clear the mask.
How do you clear the mask
So how
under
to
the
clear
ocean?
the mask is you need to tilt your head up like this. You need to perform mask clearing. Tilt your head up, inhale to your mouth using your air source.
Yeah.
Tilt your head, push the upper part of your mask, and then blow sharply to your nose to eliminate the water.
Through your nose.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Like this. You need to breathe in first to your regulator.
Breathe in and then eliminate the
your
water
head
through
up.
your nose.
Push this one.
Push this one.
Then blow sharply to your nose.
Ah.
Yeah. To eliminate the water.
Wow. I'll have to learn that.
Just to, just use your nose to blow.
Okay.
Especially if you're going to remove the water.
Okay. Got
inside
it.
the mask.
Got it.
If there is a water in your regulator, in your air source, you have two options. Okay, the easier one is you need to press this one. If there's water inside your air source, just simply press this one to clear the water.
Okay.
But you need to block it with your tongue, like that. So what will happen as you press, the pressure will push the water, and the water will release. Same with the bubbles. As you exhale, there will be bubbles coming out on the regulator, which is okay. So you will notice it later when we dive or while doing the breathing practice. There will be bubbles coming out on the both sides of your air source, which is okay. Right? There's water. Just press this one, or you can also try to make a big blow like that to clear the water. But the easiest one is by pressing this one to eliminate the water inside the air source.
You have to block it with the tongue.
Yes, sir. Like this. Like that.
Got it.
Yeah.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's good.
Any questions?
No, I'm good.
So, while in the water, there's no need for you to press anything. No
Okay.
need. I'll just, we'll just dive together and hold your equipment.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
You good?
Good. Yeah.
But we will be having a practice first before.